Hi students, it's Mrs. Fernandi. Time for your spelling test. Make sure that you have your notebook open and a pencil, or get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil if that's what you want to do. And you're going to have 20 words. 2 of them are extra credit. So we're going to go ahead and start. And let me remind you, I'll say the word and a sentence and the word again. You'll write it down. And I'll keep going. I'll pause between words, but not for very long. But here's the good news. You can pause me. So if I get a little ahead of you, just hit the pause button and take the time that you need to do your best spelling. Okay? All right, here we go. Number 1 is pages. He reads and his little sister turns the pages. Remember to think about that root word and how to add the ending. Number 2, phoning. My mom is phoning the doctor. Phoning. Again, we have a root word, phone. What are we going to do to add that ing ending? Number 3, lose. Did you lose a book? I hope not. Lose. Number 4, third. This is the third pencil I have found. Third. That's the We're going to think about whether it's the first way to spell the second way to spell or the third way to spell ER, IR, or UR. Okay. Number 5 is under. Remember to use your syllables under. The kitten is under the chair. Under. At the end of a word, which one do we use? The first, second, or third spelling of Number 6 is writing. Now be careful. This is the kind of writing like, I'm writing a story. We have a silent letter to think about. We have the base word write to think about, and how we're going to add that ing ending. Number 7, burn. We watched the candles burn. Again, we're thinking of the sound, first way, second way, or third way. Number 8, wear. Wear a hat when the sun is bright. Wear. That's one of those words you kind of just have to remember. Number 9 is bird. The bird hopped on the ground. We have the sound, ER, IR, or UR. Think about which one you're going to use. Number 10 is one of those really unusual ones. The word is worse. Her cold is worse today. Worse. It's not 1, it's not 2, and it's not 3. So think about which one that is for those unusual times. Worse. Number 11, feel. I feel good when I run. Feel. Number 12, shared. We shared the bicycle by taking turns. Shared. Remember that the base word is share, and then we're going to add the ending that makes it past. Shared. Number 13, first. There's that again. First, second, or third way, first. Number 14, search. Will you help me search for my scarf? Search. That's one of those unusual ways as well. It's not the first, second, or third. One of those we have to remember, search. Number 15, during. During story time, they sit on the floor. During. That's my cat scratching in the background, if you can hear her during our spelling test. Number 16, living. They are living in Seattle. Living. Number 17, worst. That was the worst storm they ever saw. Worst. Go back to number 10, see if you knew how to spell worse, and then change the very last letter for worst. Number 18 is eat. Did the cat eat its food? My cats both just had their dinner, so they just did eat their food. Okay, you ready for your extra credit? Number 19 is surface. The surface of the desk is scratched. Surface is a tough word. The sur part at the beginning is one of the 3 ways we've talked about to make the and the fuss isn't spelled like it sounds. So we didn't go over that one, so hopefully you can do your best guess. Number 20 is interest. He has an interest in old planes. Interest. It's actually 3 syllables, but we kind of squinch it into 2. Okay? All right, pause if you need to. If you missed one, if you need to go back and listen to me again, do that now. I am now going to share the answer key with you that I created. Let's see. Here it is. So here they are. Here are the words. I'm just going to read through them. Then you can just pause here and make sure if you made any mistakes, just fix them. Think about why you might have made the mistake. We have pages, phoning, lose, third, under, writing. Number 7 is burn, wear. What to wear? W-E-A-R. That's a tough one. Bird, worse. There's that O-R making the er sound. Worse. Oh, I hope you got that one. Feel, shared, and first. Up here we have search. That's that E-A sound to make the er. Another very unusual one. Search. 15 is during. 16 is living. 17 is worst. If you got number 10 right, you probably got number 17 right. Number 18 is eat. The extra credit words are surface. Do you see how the second syllable in surface is face? It's spelled the same as we spell face. So I kind of try to remember that, like that's the surface of my head. The surface. And the last one is interest. Hopefully you did really well. I'm always happy to hear from you to see how you did. So let me know. All right, I'm going to stop sharing this. Remember, you can always go back and look at that key again. All right. Have a lovely weekend. Stay safe.